As once again, teacher is saying Assalamu alaikum and kindly open your SST book. And today your page number is 1010. Kindly open nursery class. Teacher is focusing on the page number. Open your page number 1010 nursery class. You know what we do on the second number? We write the date nursery class. Kindly write the date on the top of the page. G nursery class. I have told you in the maths book that today date is 2929 dash 3. Can you see? Sorry, nursery class, can you see? Oops, what happened with my 3? Where it is? 3 dash 2121. Something happened here. Okay, don't be worried. And you have to write here classwork, see, or homework. You can do the SST work in your classwork, or if you want to do in the homework, you can do it in the homework. Okay, it's your choice. Teacher is not very strict. Okay, nursery class. So today our topic is at home. Okay, today we'll learn about the things which we found in home. Okay. Oh my god, they are talking about rooms, nursery class. Okay, they are talking about the rooms that we deal in the whole day. So from where we get start? Okay, let's start from nursery class bedroom. Okay, put the spelling B-E-D, bed. B-ad, bed. Next, R-O-O-M, room. Bed, room. Okay, nursery class? Which is this room? Look at the teacher camera very carefully. What is this room? This is bedroom. So, nursery class, now we have to see that what we see in the bedroom. First of all, we see the bed in the bedroom. Okay, bed in the bedroom, that is why we called it a bedroom. Then a bed sheet, these are two pillows. What are these, nursery class? These are two pillows. Then there should be window in the room, so fresh air can come in the room. Okay, if there is a window, then there should be curtains. You can see the green colors, nursery class. Yes, these are curtain. What is this, nursery class? These are curtains. And nursery class, what is this? This is a foot mat. What is this? Foot mat. Okay, nursery class? Then we can hang picture on the room so our room looks beautiful. Some have their mama baba wedding picture in the room. Some have their own picture in the room. Then there should be one clock in the room so we can see the time, whatever time we want to see. Okay, nursery class? Then there is one reading table. Do tell me that your room have one study table, nursery class, in which you write your classwork and homework and you watch your teacher Faiza's videos. Okay, I will wait. Do tell me. Okay, so our bedroom has one bed, study table, window, curtains, clock. Okay, nursery class, these are the compulsory thing that our bedrooms should have. Okay, we wake up in the early in the morning and we first go in the bathroom. Why? Just to clean our teeth, mouth, and take a shower. Okay, nursery class. So look at the bathroom. First look at the spelling of the bathroom. B-A-T-H, bath. R-O-O-M, room. Bath, room. Now look at the necessary thing that the bathroom should have, nursery class. G. The bathroom should have one sink, and the sink should have one tap. You know now, we read in English tap, tap, T-A-P, tap. Okay, nursery class? Then there should be, can you see, nursery class? It's very small size. There should be teeth brush and toothpaste, and you should do the teeth brush before coming school, and these are your holidays, nursery class. And this is the most important thing that you have to do first of all. Then when you wake up, I think my mobile battery is low, that is why you can there is less light. Okay, nursery class. Then they should be come to the book. Then there should be my washroom has, then there should be one mirror. You can see this is a mirror in which you can see your beautiful face. See, the teacher is watching his face. Oh my god, such a beautiful face, nursery. Then come to this side. Yes, then there should be towel. When you have done your hand and mouth wash, then you have to dry your hand and mouth with the towel. Okay, nursery class. Then there should be a small cupboard in the washroom in which you put your shampoo, your conditioner, your lot of accessory that you used while washing your hand and mouth. You are small now, so you only need, I think, shampoo, lotion, bus. Okay. Then, oh my god, shower. We take bath by using shower. Okay, nursery class. And lots of taps, nursery class, in which hot water and cold water comes. Okay, nursery class, can you see? So these are the important thing: the tap, nursery class, the toothbrushes and paste and towel and taps. These are the most important factor of any bathroom, sorry. Okay, nursery class. Now mama first of all wake up from the bedroom, then she goes in the bathroom, she do take a bath, and then she go in the kitchen. Okay, nursery class, she go in the kitchen and make breakfast for you. Oh my god, let's see what is necessary thing in the kitchen. There should be, nursery class, one fridge, one nursery class oven in which the mama cook food. See, the pan should be the necessary thing of every kitchen, nursery class. Okay. Then there should be these accessories, spoons, and then there should be again one tap in which mama wash our plates and glasses. Sorry. Then there should be jars, nursery class, in which mama put lots of things of her choice. Then there should be a one cupboard in the washroom, nursery. Okay. In which mama put the kitchen accessories. Okay, nursery class, like plate, cups, mugs, jugs, and lot of other things. Okay, nursery class. These are the essential things in the kitchen. And when mama finish her cooking, then mama must go in the lounge. Okay, and she take a rest over there. Okay, so let's come that which things are important in, should be important in the kitchen, lounge. There should be sofas and tables are the most important thing, nursery class, of lounge. Then there should be some carpet or mat, side tables in which you can put the decoration pieces or vase. Then again, like the bedroom, there should be one window so fresh air can come in the room. I again say it that if there is a window, there should be curtains, nursery class. Okay. And in any room, by increasing the grace, you can hang some pictures on them so your room look beautiful. And nursery class, please make sure that you do help your mama in making the room tidy. Okay. Don't put things or don't make your room untidy. Then mama put the shelf over here again for putting small beautiful decoration pieces which increase the lounge beauty. Okay, nursery class, so today we visit 4 rooms: one bedroom, one bathroom, one kitchen, and one lounge. Okay, nursery class, now what they are asking? They are asking in which room. So nursery class, you have to tell me in which room you put these things. Nursery class, I am putting the star on 2 things. This thing, this chair, and this shelf. You have to tell me that where you put this chair and this shelf in your house. Okay, I am not going to tell. Okay, because Every person put different this chair and this shelf in different room. Okay, you have to tell me one by one. So this is a towel. I have told you that where it is necessary. Yes, it is this is it is the most important thing in the washroom. And toothpaste and toothbrush, again, it's very simple. We should put in the washroom, sorry, bathroom. Pan, where we should put the pan, nursery class? It should be in the kitchen. Very good. And nursery class, lamp. Yes, we put lamp on the bedroom, nursery class. Okay, nursery class? Where we put the lamp? We put the lamp in the bedroom. Tap, nursery class. Nursery class, tap is very important in two rooms. One in the kitchen and one in the bathroom. These two things are incomplete without tap. Okay, because we use tap in the washroom and we also use tap in the kitchen. Okay, nursery class, you have to write it by yourself. Okay. Now move to the next page, nursery class, which is page number 1111. Now they are talking about things. What is this, nursery class? This is a torch. What is this? This is a torch. 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 You have to write the spelling of the torch, nursery class, and you have to do the color in the torch. Please kindly do the beautiful coloring in the torch. So what we do with the torch? Nursery class, when there is no light, we use torch for a light. This is a switch. We switch on the light and we get the light from the torch. This is a small bulb in the torch. Okay, nursery class? Oh, yes. I recently told you. What is this? This is the teacher's second favorite thing. First is apple and second is a hot cup of tea. Okay, nursery class? This is a cup of tea. Do tell me, this is a cup of tea. Also, so write down here cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay, nursery class, teacher have write here C-U-P, cup. So nursery class, what is this? This is a clock. What is this, nursery class? This is a clock. Write down here the spelling of clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. This is a clock. Okay, my nursery? You have to do the coloring in clock also. So what is this, nursery class? Yes, this is a bag. You have your school bags in the nursery class. This is a school bag. Make the same color as your school bag has. Okay, nursery class, do the beautiful coloring in the bag. So nursery class, what is the spelling of bag? B-A-G, bag. Okay, nursery class. What is this, nursery class? This is a scissor. What is this, nursery class? This is a scissor. What we use scissor, nursery class? We use scissor for cutting. We use scissor for cutting. Write down the spelling of scissor. G, nursery class, write the spelling with me. S-C-I-S-S-O-R, scissor. Okay, nursery class. So I tell you that we use torch for light. We use cup for drinking tea or for taking tea. We use clock for watching the time. We use bag for putting the books and copies. Okay, nursery class. And we use scissor for cutting. Now, again, nursery class, what are these used for? What is this, nursery class? First of all, tell me. This is a radio. What is this, nursery class? This is a radio. R-A-D-I-O, radio. First of all, write the spelling. R-A-D-I-O, D-I-O, radio. Mama will not write the spelling. You have to write it by yourself. Okay, you are big enough, nursery. So, what is radio used? Nursery class, we use radio for listening song, for listening news, like TV you can watch and you can listen na, but in radio we are unable to watch. We can only listen the things. Okay, and it is light in use. We can carry it from one place to another place. Okay, nursery class. So what I have told you about the radio, we can use the radio for listening songs, news, or for general knowledge. Very today these days, we can get lots of information from the radio also. It is a most important factor of the communication these days. Okay. Okay, now move to the next. What is this? Oh my god, folk. F O R K, folk. So, nursery class, you know what we use the folk. Yes, I think 80% of you love the noodles, and we use to folk for eating the noodles, eating the meals, you can say, but we mostly eat noodles with the folk. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Next, oh my god, these are sunglasses. What are these? Sunglasses. S-U-N, sun, glasses. G-L-A-S-S, glass, E-S, glasses, sunglasses. We can use sunglasses to protect ourselves from the direct rays of light, direct rays of sunlight. Okay, nursery class? So, nursery class, move to the next thing. What is this? This is a dustbin. What is this? Dust bin, or simply a bin. What you throw in the bin, nursery class? You put wrapper in the bin, nursery class. The candy wrapper, the biscuit wrapper, the juice wrapper, nursery. Everything. The teacher put the sharpener waste in the bin. Remember, nursery? So we put waste in the bin. Okay, nursery class, B-I-N, bin. Okay. So, nursery class, our SST lecture is come to end. Do color in these things and do send me. Okay, I will wait. Take lots of good care, nursery class. Please keep safe yourself. Okay, nursery class, please don't use cold things. Okay, don't use fizzy drinks. Don't use cold drinks. Okay, nursery class, please take lots of good care and do respect your mama and baba. Take care. Allah Hafiz.